how to use a tire pressure gauge. Now let's get familiar with a tire pressure gauge. Now if you look at this part, this is where you're going to read how much PSI. This is your actual gauge reading, and usually this is made out of glass or a plastic, and it's surrounded by rubber, and the reason why is if you drop it, it can protect it, but you definitely don't want to drop this often because it's calibrated. After the body of the tire pressure gauge, we're going to come down over here, and this is a button, and this is really important because this releases the air, and this will help you adjust the tire pressure. And then this part is interesting because usually this swivels, which allows you to get into certain places, and then this is the part that connects to the valve stem. And this is going to be important for you to make sure you seat it right. We're going to show it to you in action. So this is our valve stem, and it has a little cap. It's usually plastic, some are metal. You're going to remove this and it's going to expose the valve stem. Now some tire pressure gauges are fancy and you could screw this on, but most of them, you don't do that. You put it over it, and this part right here, this usually is going to connect with the internal side, and it's going to allow air to come out and give you a reading. But one thing you want to know is you want to put it over center. You don't want to be at an angle or at a side. And then you want to put pressure. You want to put your whole weight, but you want to put thumb pressure on it and you want to hold it. And the reason why is if you don't put enough pressure, you're going to lose air. So I'm going to show you how to do it correctly. So as you see, I put it in there and there's no air coming out. And the way you know is you don't hear a hiss, and also your gauge is holding still. As you can see, we're at 33, and when you press this button, it's going to release some air, and it allows you to adjust the tire pressure in your tire, just like that. Now, one of the things I recommend from doing this hundreds of times is make sure you place this somewhere where you don't kick it and you don't lose it, because when you're done checking your tire pressure, you want to screw it back on and make sure that it's on there. If you're curious at what PSI your tires need to be, you could check the tire and loading sticker on your car door. Every car should have this, and this sticker will tell you what PSI your tires should be when they're cold. And that's how you use a tire pressure gauge. If this video was helpful, hit the like button. We appreciate you watching. You take care, and we'll see you soon.